If you like vodka or lemonade,
oh I do, oh I do.
If you like sunshine, sitting in the shade,
oh I do.
If you like to get paid,
oh I do,
or you like to get laid,
I said I'm happy,
then you got to understand that you got it made, and you should be happy as fuck.
I stay happy as a motherfucker, that's right. Knew I was gonna do a lot of smiling, so I brushed twice. I throw my hands up in the sky and yell, hug life. Yeah, I can dig it, so I dug twice. Today I'm saying hi to everyone that I see, until they know me better than my ID. Tell them all how stoked I am that I'm me, till they think I got ecstasy running through an IV. I'm sandpaper when the times get rough. Alarm clock been ringing, man, it's time to get up. Barry White, the whole world your love, we can't get enough, cause you're alive, my friend, so let's get high, my friend. And look around, all this is yours, given to you for free and can't be bought in stores. You see the present, that's a hell of a gift. Take my glass half over the twist. And
if you like vodka or lemonade,
cause I do.
If you like sunshine or sitting in the shade,
cause I do.
If you like to get paid, or you like to get laid, then you got to understand that you got it made, and you should be happy as I said, you should be happy
going
as fuck.
city to city, I'ma bring back hippie. I be ill with the raps and still got pop like Iggy, taking shots like 50 and stay twisting up Ziggy. No money, no problems, we cut out and no biggie. It's all good, baby, baby. Follow me up, swallow a cup, hollow a blunt. Time to do whatever you want, song, let it begin. Time for some good news, let's CNN and watch more cartoons. Aloha, my favorite color is tie-dye. A stoner and proud of it, so why lie? I changed my life when I met good vibes and found out the grass is hella green on both sides. So look around, all this is yours, given to you for free and can't be bought in stores. You see the present, it's a hell of a gift. Take my glass half full with a twist. Like
if you like vodka or lemonade,
cause I do.
If you like sunshine,
or
sitting in the shade,
cause I do.
If you like to get paid, or you like to get laid, then you got to understand that you got it made, and you should be happy as fuck.
Down in your luck, okay, I've been there. Mad at the world, I hunt, yup, I was once. There was a time I felt like I didn't care. I was lost and didn't know who I was. But a couple years ago, I finally figured out everything that happens is caused by what you think about. Imagine this, I take my glass half full with a twist. I take my glass half full with a twist. Fill me up a glass.
If you like vodka or lemonade,
cause I do.
If you like sunshine or sitting in the shade, if you like to get paid, or you like to get laid, then you've got to understand that you got it made, and you should be happy like vodka.